I hope you are all doing fine. It is a morning in my village, and I'm actually preparing my, we call them green grams, for my breakfast today. So our breakfast comes at around 11 when we, after we've taken some light meal in the morning. So here we are today. I wanted to talk about something to do with my village and finances. How we access financing, how we save for our projects, generally how finances are in the village. You know, here we don't have banks where we go take our savings, then we go take loans, like people who are salaried, who have pay slips that they can take loans against. In the village, we solely depend on our farm produce. We depend on our livestock, and mostly from the sales of our products we take to the market. So sometimes having a formal structure of financing is a bit difficult for us. So what we do as women, let me talk as women, I'm a woman, you know, and most of these women issues have a lot to do with finances. So what we do here, we form groups. I'm in one group, it's called Kogaja Women Group, and in this group we are around 20 people, and these 20 people, what happens is that we meet weekly. We meet every week so that we can do table banking. We call it table banking, where people come together every frequently. Now for us, we meet every Wednesday every week, and we deposit our savings. So we have a minimum of 50 shillings. Actually, we just do 50 shillings every week. A minimum of 50 shillings and a maximum of the amount you can, mostly 1,000. So you'll find that most of us here are farmers and we sell our produce. So every week there is a market day on a Monday. So every week we meet on Wednesdays. So you take your money as a saving, and that money is loaned to some other person. So we are usually loaned at around 10% interest, and that 10% interest is per month, not per year. So if I take a loan of say 10,000, every month I'm paying an interest of 1,000 every month. So the longer I stay with it, the more the interest it incurs, and that is how we make our money. So once the year is done of 12 months, what we do, we call it share out. Share out means all the savings you had saved for that whole period of time, and plus that interest that your money had incurred within that 1 year. So sometimes you save well, you get some good interest, but in most cases what happens here, those are the loans. We take loans from those groups to develop our projects. If I have a project to build my poultry house, like right now I want to build a poultry house, I go take a loan, and that will help me buy iron sheets, nails, buy the more birds, you know, to increase my capacity. Or if I want to expand my farm, if this month, this season I had done say 2 acres, and I want now to do 4 acres, that is where we go to get our loans. So if you want to get bigger money, save bigger money. If you want to get small money also, so it's directly proportional. The more you save, the more you have, the more loan you can actually access. So we don't have pay slips. So when we take loans, our friends are our guarantors. The fellow women in the group are guarantors. So when I fail to pay that money, what happens is that my guarantors will pay for that money. Now,